Human history is the story of one terrible catastrophe after another.
I, for once, would love to wake up magically in a better world.
What makes you think the world's going to get better?
Today, people get their energy from the sun. Humans have set foot on Mars. Cancer has been defeated. And yet, for every question answered, another one appears.
Here's what you need to know about global warmings. Doesn't matter. At the end of the century, we'll be dead. We'll have to miss it. But we'll be smiling in gold-plated coffins.
This is not the life that I envisioned it to be.
A man whose house is on fire is incredibly easy to negotiate with.
We cannot give up and go home for one simple reason. We already are home. This is our only home.
I think it helps to look at climate change like a bear. The whole planet's been wrestling with the bear for decades. So far, the bear's been kicking our ass.
What if we were able to develop technology that would allow us to survive, maybe even thrive?
You don't know what's going to happen.
It won't go the way you want. It never does.
I remember being happy.
But what about now? Are you happy now? Are we bad people? Stop being angry about the past. The future is now.
Miami is dangerous. Your mother's moving with her sister in Chicago.
Thought you hated your sister.
It's too hot out to hate people these days, Marshall.